Tech jobs are changing fast. Is the middle class of it disappearing? The disappearing middle class in tech, a new era of innovation and uncertainty. For decades, the tech industry thrived on a structured hierarchy. Junior engineers learning the ropes, mid-level engineers forming the backbone of development teams, and senior engineers leading the way. However, this long-standing structure is undergoing a seismic shift. The once stable middle class of tech jobs is rapidly vanishing, leaving behind a stark divide. At one end, elite engineers working on cutting-edge frontier technology. At the other, product builders leveraging artificial intelligence to operate with unprecedented independence. The rise of AI and the changing landscape. Historically, mid-level engineers played a crucial role in large teams, working collaboratively on complex projects that spanned months or even years. However, with advancements in artificial intelligence, companies are rethinking how software development is approached. Today, AI-powered tools such as GitHub Copilot and OpenAI's Codex are allowing developers to complete tasks that once required entire teams. A single engineer equipped with AI can now write, debug, and deploy software faster than ever before. What previously took a team of 50 engineers several months to build can now be achieved by a small AI-enhanced team in mere days. Greg Eisenberg, CEO of Late Checkout, put it succinctly. We have product builders who happen to code. Armed with AI, they ship entire products in days. This statement captures the essence of the transformation. The traditional middle-tier engineering role is being squeezed out by automation and innovation. A gradual decline or a drastic shift? This shift has been building for years, but the pace of change has accelerated post-pandemic. During the tech boom of 2020 to 2021, companies aggressively hired software engineers to meet soaring demand. However, as market conditions changed, mass layoffs followed. While some argue this correction was inevitable, AI has played a significant role in reshaping the job landscape. A look at salaries over the years paints a telling picture. A few years ago, in the United States, entry-level software engineers typically earned around $100,000 annually, mid-level engineers made $150,000, and senior engineers commanded $200,000 or more. Fast forward to 2025, and the landscape looks very different. The demand for traditional mid-level roles has plummeted, while frontier engineers, those working on AI, deep learning, and blockchain, are being offered salaries upwards of $500,000. Meanwhile, AI-driven solo developers are delivering projects at an efficiency that outperforms entire teams. The middle-class engineer, an endangered role? According to a recent survey, 47% of professionals in India expressed dissatisfaction with their current salaries, with 18% of mid-level engineers, those with roughly a decade of experience, feeling particularly disillusioned. The message is clear. The mid-tier software engineering role is shrinking. Companies are increasingly looking for engineers who can leverage AI to multiply their productivity. Some firms in Bengaluru, for example, have adopted hiring strategies where a single AI-equipped engineer is expected to perform the work of 5 traditional engineers. This approach is not just cost-effective, but also aligns with the industry's demand for faster innovation cycles. AI advisor Ali K. Miller emphasized this trend a year ago when she said, "We'd rather hire one software engineer who knows how to use AI than 5 who don't, even if it's the same cost." Today, that philosophy has become a guiding principle for many companies looking to streamline their development teams. A silver lining or an uncertain future? Not everyone agrees that AI is solely responsible for this transformation. Some argue that the current job decline is a natural market correction after years of unsustainable hiring. Others point out that small, highly efficient teams have always existed. For example, When Instagram was acquired by Meta for $1 billion in 2012, the company had just 13 employees. Similarly, Telegram, one of the world's most widely used messaging platforms, was built by a relatively small team. The idea that a handful of skilled engineers can accomplish extraordinary feats is not new. AI is simply accelerating this reality. However, for fresh graduates and those aspiring to enter the industry, the outlook is increasingly uncertain. With fewer entry-level positions available, new engineers must now demonstrate skills that often exceed those of professionals already in the field. Yet, amidst the anxiety, some believe the industry is merely undergoing a necessary transformation. A Reddit user recently remarked, "The AI hype bubble is arguably a fake gold rush. Companies are just cutting costs and using AI as an excuse." While the validity of that claim remains debatable, what is clear is that companies are redefining the role of software engineers, and those who fail to adapt risk being left behind. The road ahead. The tech industry has always been defined by rapid change. While the traditional middle-class engineer may be fading, new opportunities are emerging for those willing to evolve. The future belongs to engineers who can harness AI, not fear it. As the industry moves forward, the message is clear: adapt, innovate, and stay ahead, or risk becoming obsolete in an era where technology moves faster than ever before. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.